What if I told you there's a legit website that pays you to read books online, and they send the book offer straight to your email? No experience, not just reading. So I'm about to share with you a banger about how you can actually make money online just by reading books online. Now, as you can see, this is my email and this is messages I am getting from this particular book reading club. So if you're looking for easy ways to make money online, especially from home, then this video is for you. Today I'm showing you a website called Online Book Club, a platform that actually pays people to read books and write simple reviews. So if you're watching this video to this very minute and you're liking what you're saying, please do what to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this video, and let me know where you're actually watching us from. Right, you get paid to read book. As you can see, it says here in this email, it says get paid to review books. Any questions? Get paid $10 to read and honestly review a children's book. It is as simple as that. You read and review a children's book. Now here is how it works. Online Book Club, let me show you what their platform looks like. So this is me opening the platform. Now this is what the platform actually looks like. If you do not have account with them, you can do what to check our Telegram channel for a link to actually sign up with them and open an account with them. Online Book Club, it connects authors who need honest reviews with readers like you. Once you sign up for free, the club sends you book offers directly to your email. So as you can see, we got here from my email because I am a member. So here is what we do. This is my platform. As you can see, this is Opeyemi Anjorin here. This is my name. In case you don't know my name is Opeyemi Oluwakemi Anjorin. So in case you don't know my name, this is my name here. This is what their platform looks like if you're on their platform. So all you need to do is to actually read a book and write a short and honest review. Submit it here through this platform. Just scroll down. You see a lot of books. As you can see, you see a lot of books. Now they also have app on Google Play Store and Apple Play Store. Just really simple. All you need to do is to actually read the book, write a short review and submit on the platform. Now you do not need a special degree, you don't need any publishing experience, you don't need any interview. So whether you have a skill or you don't have a skill, this platform will actually offer you a way to earn money online. All you need to know is you need to know how to read and write. You can do this from anywhere you are in the world using just your smartphone or your laptop. Another good thing about Online Book Club is that you are not hunting for jobs. The jobs comes to you. Yes, you will receive emails back to back from them. So you are not even hunting for any job. The jobs actually comes to your email. And once there is a new book available, you get notified. Now this makes it perfect for beginners who are looking to make money online, students, stay-at-home mom, or anyone who enjoys reading and making money online. So it depends on what you like. Now in case you're looking for how the payment method works, this is where you get paid. You just input your details here and actually get paid. In case you're thinking, maybe I've been talking about how to make money on this particular website without actually sharing with you the how to file in for your payments and all of those things. So now let me be clear about this particular platform. This particular platform will actually not make you rich overnight. No, it will not make you rich overnight, but at least it will be able to pay some extra bills, and it will be more or less like a side hustle for you. So if you want to get started on this platform, all you have to do is to head straight to onlinebookclub.org and create a free account, complete your reviewer profile and wait for book offers to start coming in. So if you've watched onto this level, if you love online jobs, side hustles and ways that you can earn money online, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the post notification bells, because I share legit opportunities like this all the time for you to make money online, whether you have a degree or not. In fact, whether you can invest in it or not. I say simple ways to make money online for everybody. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.